Hi, this is Krystal Starr with iChakras Smart Meditation Center. Today we're going to be doing a visualization for the third eye chakra. Now the third eye chakra, like I stated in some of my other videos, it's a little bit of the problem child, and you don't want to overstimulate it because it tends to like to either gain a lot of toxic energy or spin too fast, or it likes to work independently from the rest of the chakras. So this chakra, like I said, it's very tedious and you don't want to work on it for too long. If you're gonna do a visual for the third eye, keep it short and keep it simple. Today, the visual that we're doing for the third eye is going to strengthen the muscle of the third eye, just like working out at the gym. Do a breathing exercise. Allow your energy to be at a calm space. And then I want you to bring in the color purple. Yes, the color purple, not indigo. I know most people use the color indigo, but at iChakras, we use a little bit of a different color spectrum. So if you're more comfortable with indigo, that's fine. But when I do the visual, I will be using the color purple. Breathe in. The eye between your eyebrows is closed. And it's just simply waiting for the spiritual energy to come in. Breathe that purple magic in from the spiritual dimension, which is above you. Breathe it in like a beam and let your third eye absorb this spiritual magic from the spiritual dimension right into your third eye. Enjoy it. Give it a moment and then exhale. The eye's going to open and all this energy is going to flow out, but it's flowing out into the physical dimension. So you are consciously bringing in spiritual energy from the spiritual dimension into your own body and exhaling it into the physical dimension with your third eye. So your body is working like a conduit for this spiritual frequency right through your third eye. And the eye is closing and opening, closing and opening. And each time this happens, the muscle in the third eye is getting stronger. You breathe in, the eye is closed, absorb it, magic, it's beautiful. Exhale, the eye opens, and all of that energy expands out into the physical world where everyone else could see it too. And each time you do this, you're able to pull in more and more of this purple magic because the muscle is becoming stronger. Continue doing this until it feels very effortless to bring the energy in and to exhale it into the physical world. Bring the energy in, exhale it into the physical world until you're surrounded with purple. Everyone else around you could see it, touch it, sense it. And again, it's very effortless at that point. Leave your comments below. Let us know what you felt after doing this visualization. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Love and light.